Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download music from YouTube. All right, so what you have to do, just go to YouTube app, this one, So what you have to do, you can download any music, but the thing is that you need a premium. All right, so go to the search bar and look for any music, like Justin Bieber, like a Justin Bieber or anything like a rain sound for sleeping or any kind of music you want to download, definitely you just need to go and you need to hit on that sorry. So you just have to go here and hit the download. All right, so once you hit the download, and you can just find it when you go here, and it will be in your download. So any music if you want to download, it will be here, so um, music you can download anything, but you need a premium for that. But another stuff is that I can show you. You can download let me see, what can I, okay, so you can go to the YouTube Music also is a premium. And if you want to listen any music, definitely this is all the YouTube Musics are here. You can listen any music, you can download any music. It's all up to you which music you want, and you can literally download music here and hit the download, and it's downloading right now. And then you can see, and offline also you can create download this music, and offline also you can listen to, but you need a premium, so definitely. And after that, I am going to show you how you can download here in the YouTube. So once you go to your channel, and after that you need to go to the YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio, it will look like that. All right, so you just go to the on the left hand side, and then you will see audio library. So hit on the audio library, and here you go. Um, or in audio library you can hit that, and so this is, if you like this music, just click it here. Sound effect, if you want to download a sound effect, or if you want to download this music, definitely you can just go ahead and download this music here. So you click here and you start downloading, and it will go here, and you can use it. But just be careful, learn about everything about the audio library if you want to use it in your, so this is the easiest way to do that. But let me know how you do that. I know there is a third party, you can download it, you can use it, but YouTube is more about, like one stop, you can do that, all the stuff. All right, so in this video this much, I will see you the next one. All right, thank you.